Hey, you're welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So far today your finance girl has a very exciting and an interesting video about Dogecoin, which will make you guys very happy. If we just slowly look at the chart, you guys can see the downtrend is slowly starting to break due to the consolidation period that has been occurring since the past 12 hours. Then go ahead and give the video a like to help me and you out, because the YouTube system will spread the video to more people, and more people who see the good side of the Dogecoin will opt to purchase it. It starts to rise, and we all make a lot of money, so the easiest thing you can do is go over to the page and give it a like. Now I simply want to note that the latest video support has been incredible, which is why I will make another Dogecoin video pretty soon. Now as you guys can see, the chart seems to be very promising, that there might be a big bull run very soon. And that's not just me saying, there's also a lot of analysts actually saying the same thing, and I will show you guys down the line. One thing I do want to mention is I highly recommend you guys keep a very close eye to the Dogecoin, because it is about to do something massive, and I can already feel it coming very soon. But talking about a very interesting article that came out from Inside Bitcoin, as they said, Dogecoin for Amazon petition gathers steam as thousands call on Amazon to accept Dogecoin. So you guys remember the original petition started back in 2019, and ever since it has gathered close to 130,000 signs. Me personally, I have signed it. But recently, as I told you guys yesterday on Twitter, everyone has been spamming hashtag Dogecoin for Amazon, and it is trending on Twitter. But something interesting on this article is Marquis, who originally created that petition, said it disclosed in a recent amount update that Amazon was contacted by the staff at Changed Our Organization on behalf of the petition, signed 100,000 signatures. Now, if you guys understand, Change Our Organization is the one that was actually holding on to the petition, and they actually sent it to Amazon and contacted them to agree with the petition and accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. Another thing is there are so many local businesses that are already accepting Dogecoin. Why is Amazon not doing it when it's one of the biggest shop in the whole world? What happened in crypto last week? They asked. To begin with, the cryptocurrency industry's overall market capitalization has dropped by 15%. It has officially surpassed the 19 trillion mark. As a result, the stock's valuation fell to below $300 billion. Now, if you check at the graph, you'll see that Dogecoin was the only big cryptocurrency that was profitable. Bitcoin was down 20% off, then Ethereum was down 7%, but Dogecoin was up 30%. That's great to see. Dogecoin reached an all-time high this month at a point surpassing 50 billion in market cap to become the fifth most valuable cryptocurrency in the world. I mean, Dogecoin is doing big things. You guys know, at one point we were at like $53 billion market cap. That is incredible, considering this is a meme coin. When we think about the workplace of the future and business, we have to consider cryptocurrency a central part of the conversation. WeWork CEO or chairman, as you mentioned, that WeWork announced it will now be allowing its customers to pay using cryptocurrency. Now, this is incredible. I know it's not incredible for Dogecoin, but just hold of the crypto market in general. Even if they start off with Bitcoin or Ethereum, over time, we will come down to Dogecoin. And if WeWork decides to use Dogecoin as a form of payment, the amount of transactions that will be occurring through cryptocurrency will cause the crypto market to be a lot more valid, and a lot more people actually seeing it as a future investment. Now, Finbold actually came out with a new article saying there are now over 1,000 Doge-made millionaires despite the sharp correction. So if you guys remember, last week went close to 45 cents before we actually started spiking back down on the bearish market. Now this caused 1,000 people in the world to become millionaires. If we just look at the top distributors of Dogecoin, you can see that there's 1,300 accounts that are holding on to close to $1 million, or anywhere over $1 million. And between $10 million, that's a lot of people. 1,000 people. I'm so happy that people in our community become super rich, and also their lives would have been changed. I mean, you don't know when you will be the next one, so it's great to see. Well, me personally, whenever I see someone hit $1 million is my dream. Sorry if I see someone else achieve it, it just gives me motivation to actually push even further, and I'm just happy that people from Dogecoin community are becoming millionaires. But about Boy Billy, if you do not know, Billy here is the original creator of Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open-source, decentralized project. If you want to update the website, to help with the code or literally do anything that helps, that you have the permission be the change you want to see. It's your project, that everyone can contribute. Ask not what Doge can do for you, ask what you can do for Dogecoin. So if you do want to help out in the community of Dogecoin, you are allowed to do so, and that will help us increase the price and help us in the long run. Is cryptocurrency safe? This is a big question that a lot of people have at the moment. Dogecoin, safe moon gain attention, but experts warn of risk. There is always risk when you go into investment that includes real estate. Everything has risk, but the risk management is what is super important. You need to understand, crypto market is super volatile at the moment. You have to be very safe in terms of family, money you put in, and how much life saving you're putting in. Make sure you only use that money, which you do not mind losing, when you're going for smaller cryptocurrencies such as SafeMoon, Elongate, Dogecoin, does not count in it, due to the fact that Dogecoin is going to be here forever. At the moment, the market cap is so big you do not have to worry. But talking about X, if you guys remember about few days ago, they mentioned that if Dogecoin hits $1, we will be releasing a new flavor that will be based on Dogecoin. But today they just announced it, like, literally they're not going to wait until $1. They just said, we heard you, #DogArmyDogCan. Interesting enough, the body spray will be releasing, even though it did not hit $1. But it just looks really nice. As you guys can see, me personally, I will be buying it if it comes to new Sonata. I just want to see you how it will smell. Will I be getting Doges? Or will I be getting ladies from this? That would be my real question. But looking at the Fox News today, they came out with the article saying Dogecoin will drop even lower. Market strategic say now, the thing they didn't have understand is that they have not seen the chart. It is already consolidating, showing us there might be a bull run, and if there is a bull run, I will be very surprised to see that this article will disappear. No one would want to talk about it, because they are just trying to scare you and get a lot of attention. But just talking about the price prediction at the moment, the price prediction is very shady. We cannot tell what is going to happen, but it is in a consolidation period. From here, there can be a bearish moment, or there could be a bull market, most likely, if it decides to go below 20 cents. From this point on, there might be a bearish market, but if it just stays around 25 cents over time, there is going to be a bull market, which will help and also profit every single one of us. I'm just very excited to see the future of Dogecoin. Let me know down in the comments section if you are as well. Now, just to give you guys an update on the Dogecoin video. Yes, I will be doing another one very soon, but we will do a like if this video hits 1,000 likes, then I will start more news on Dogecoin. That's what I'm going to say. If you're new and you want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.